In this video, I am going to show you how to add a payment method on TikTok. To add one of the three TikTok payment methods, which are prepay, pay or afterpay, follow these steps. Log into your TikTok Ads account and go to the dashboard. Click on the TikTok payment method section, then click on Add Payment Method. Choose the type of payment method you want to add. TikTok Ads currently accepts credit cards and PayPal or for pay or prepay payments and credit cards for autopay payments. Enter your payment information such as credit card number, expiration date and security code, or log in with your PayPal. You can also choose to save the card information for future use by adding a credit card. Once you've entered your payment information, click Save to save the payment method to your account. After this part, you can easily top up your TikTok Ads account and start running campaigns by clicking Add Balance at the top up and payment page. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.